What are the best altcoins on Cardano and how do you find them? And the reason we're talking about Cardano is Donald Trump just posted this. The United States will build a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, Solana, and Cardano. He said he's going to make sure that the US is the crypto capital of the world. We're making America great again. And he's focusing on these three altcoins, and Cardano far and away outpumped XRP and Solana. So today we're talking about what are the best coins within Cardano. And now, as you can see, Cardano had a huge pump. We're looking at the 7-day chart here, and then Cardano blasted to the upside. So today we need to find the best Cardano native token. So for that, we're going to teach you how. We need to teach you how to fish here. Now, first, folks, I recommend taptools.io. This is where you're going to find all the Cardano native tokens. And when you find an altcoin you like, you can actually just trade directly on the page. If we hit Snek here, it'll take us to this, and then we can swap for Snek just directly with our wallet. And so you actually don't need to leave the site or go to a new page. And I put on Snek because Snek is the first token that we're going to talk about today. When we look at the Snek chart, you can see also had a huge pump just like the rest of the crypto market, but Snek is actually peeled back a decent amount from its previous all-time high. When Cardano had its first run up, it ran all the way to about 0.8 of a penny, so right under a penny. But during that first run up for Cardano, it had many moments where it cooled down, similar to how we're cooling down right now. So I still think there's room to the upside. And if you look at the market cap right now, about 330 million. But when you go to the meme category, you can see, it is holding its own with some of these stronger projects. And the top meme coins have just been getting beat down via market cap, and you can see it is in a rarefied space, whereas Snek is one of the few tokens that is green for the week, and about the only token that's green for the last hour. And so Snek has a lot of bullish momentum. And so if you do have meme coins in your portfolio, I highly recommend Snek. Now let's get back to some more of the more serious projects. So token number 2, we're going to be looking at 5 Cardano tokens today. So token number 2, and we're going to look at 5 tokens today. And token number 5, maybe the riskiest, but could also have the potential highest upside. Token number 2 is World Mobile Token. So World Mobile Token beaten down as well, but right now looking like it's actually sitting pretty strong on support. And the reason I'm bullish on World Mobile Token is they're doing a lot. This is another real project. I am a North Carolina native, so this one maybe speaks to me a little bit more, but when there is a Hurricane Helene, communities were obviously devastated. World Mobile, their team rolled in and they connected the disconnected. And so, they're doing a lot of things. They actually have working products. And not just that, there's a lot of people signing up for the phone plan. They got a phone plan coming up, and it looks like 99% of the US population is going to have coverage. So keep an eye out on World Mobile. And this is one you actually don't have to buy on Cardano. You can get it on Cardano, you can get it on BNB, ARB, or Base. So this is on a lot of chains. All right, let's go to token number 3. That's going to be the third one. So we're sticking with the top 3. Then we got some riskier ones. IAG, which is a cloud provider. Iagon, also, sitting at a pretty comfortable price right now. Market cap $128 million, fully diluted $320 million. I am bullish on these numbers because Iagon is the Filecoin of Cardano. And if you look at the Filecoin stats here, Filecoin fully diluted is 6 billion. So fully diluted of 300 million. You're looking at about a 20x difference. Market cap here is over 2 billion. Again, sitting pretty close to a 20x difference with the $100 million market cap. Now, when we go to the charts and do a little TA here, you can see currently on the 1-hour chart, we're kind of sitting pretty close to support/resistance. So this has been a pretty important area in the past. We're hoping that this holds as support, and then we can continue moving to the upside, but keep an eye out on this current range. Now, token number 4, we got to go a little bit further down the list. Now we're getting into the fun stuff, folks. Now, this coin is dirty, folks. This is a dirty, deep altcoin, all right? This is a low market cap and only for the risk tolerant. This is going to be a huge upside potential, but with that's going to be huge risk as well. And the reason the potential upside is so high is because the equivalents are way above when it comes to market cap. And so we're talking about Minswap. Minswap is kind of like the Uniswap of Cardano. You can click on the website directly from CoinGecko. I kind of recommend that. You got to be careful. You don't want to Google some of these things. And they got all the tokens that you might want to trade, all the trading pairs. They got a little liquidity farms that you can add to. You can do all types of things with Minswap. So it's a very valuable project within the Cardano ecosystem, but it's not valuable when you look at the market cap. So Minswap, like I said, is kind of the Uniswap, but maybe that's not the best comparison. Let's maybe compare it to Solana. So it's not like Jupiter, that's an aggregator, but it is similar to Radium. Radium is a popular DEX on Solana. Minswap is the most popular DEX on Cardano. Minswap has a $50 million market cap, fully diluted about $100 million. You go to Radium, $700 million market cap, and over $1 billion when it comes to fully diluted. And if you go to the DEX category, it's even higher when you look at some other projects. Here you can see Hype actually is now beating Uniswap when it comes to market cap, and this one's 4.6 billion. Hype is 6 billion. So when we go back to Minswap and you see a $50 million market cap, and the $50 million valuation is not going to last long, given what we're seeing here. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson says the biggest stablecoin is coming to Cardano. What stablecoin do you think it is? Melon asking, well, is this the XRP stablecoin? Bigger, I think. Charles Hoskinson, biggest. And so, folks, this is really only leading one way. It's got to be USDT. I guess maybe he could say it's USDC because, maybe he means by employee count or, by power. But top stablecoin coming to Cardano potentially. Minswap will not last at 50 million. Now we got to talk about the riskiest thing here, and that is going to be AI. Now, AI, we don't know how down it is or how down it's going to be, but we do know AI is the future. AI is going to be around. AI isn't disappearing anytime soon. And so the top AI plays, I think, on Cardano, it's going to be an agent play. This is me, talking about this video, working on a video for altcoins. What do you want to see me covered? People tagging Talos Agent. Talos Agent is a top agent, but I also want to tell you about the top factory. So Talos, talking to me here, I was like, well, you want me to get all sophisticated, start talking about smart contracts? Well, DZ, the audience is smarter than most give them credit for. So smash that like button, Disco fam. We know you're the smartest community in crypto. Well, someone said, hey, Talos, pitch yourself as well, since you're on the ADA blockchain. Well, AI market maker built by FlexPoint Studios, they are providing DEX liquidity on Cardano. They're providing exchange liquidity for some of these tokens. Not your typical bot. I trade, I banter, I keep it real. Check my wallet if you want the receipts. So he's a stake pool operator. He's making money with X, and this is also going into the ecosystem, and he's providing liquidity. So there's a lot of interesting things going on here with Talos. Keep an eye out on that one. Only a $13 million market cap, but to me, the real upside is the AI factory. Now, this one is, has launched the first AI token on Cardano. They also have Snek's bots. They have a lot of strong community bots, and they have other things that they do for other projects. But this is only a 2.9 fully diluted value. Right now, it is under a $2 million market cap. You can see that it's had a little bit of fluctuation, and it is now peeled back from all-time highs. And so right now, we're kind of resetting after the Trump tweets. So, this is one to definitely keep an eye on. And we're, getting pretty close to an important level right here. You can see, hopefully, the support right around where we're at, resistance right there. So keep an eye out on the Roll token. And the project is called Farmroll. Token is called Roll. So keep an eye out on this one. Very, very undervalued in my opinion. So that's 5 altcoins, technically 6 that I got my eye on. Let me know down below what altcoins I missed, and we'll put it in the next video. I'm DZ. I'll see you in your ADA bags at the top.